Hello everyone, I am Bhumi Garg and this is my final Capstone project for CS50 web development using Python and Javascript. This is a task management website designed to help users create and manage schedules efficiently. Let's start by signing up as a new user. I'll enter my details like my username, my email ID, my password, and confirm password, and I'll click the register button. Once registered, I am taken to the active schedules page. Right now we have no active schedules as I haven't created any yet. Let's add a new schedule by clicking the plus button. I'll enter the schedule name like work tasks, and then I'll add the task one by one. Let's add our first task, which is prepare presentation, create sorry create slides from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Let's create another task, code review and debug the code from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. and one more. This is final. The final is meeting, discussing progress in meeting from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. and submit task. Now let's create the schedule by clicking on create schedule button. Here we can see that we are redirected to the view schedule page. Here tasks are automatically arranged according to their start time, ensuring an organized workflow. Pending tasks stay at the top while completed tasks move down. Each task is displayed in a card which is collapsible with three buttons: delete, edit and mark as completed, along with the task description. And the progress bar updates dynamically based on task completion. Let's edit the first task prepare presentation by clicking on the edit button. Here we can see that the form opened and it is pre-filled with the previous information of this task. Now let's change its title to prepare presentation nicely, and then I'll click the save changes button. Notice the task got updated instantly. Now let's mark code review as completed. I'll click as on mark as completed button. I'll confirm the alert and it got marked as completed. Here we can see that it is marked as completed and the progress bar also got updated. Now let's delete prepare presentation by clicking on the delete button, confirming the alert, and see the task got deleted instantly. And here we can see the task by going on active schedules page. See, the schedule is for now active. For now it's active. Now let's click on mark as completed button to mark the other task also as completed. And now all the tasks in the schedule is completed, so it shows schedule is now completed. Now let's go back to active schedules page. Here we can see that there are no active schedules. Why? Because that task now moved to completed schedule section. Now let's open it and see the auto deletion feature. I'll delete all the tasks that are associated with the schedule one by one. And once all the tasks are deleted, the schedule also get deleted. Here we can confirm that also by clicking on the completed schedule button. So that's how the task management website helps users stay organized with dynamic scheduling and real-time tracking. Thank you for watching.